We're excited to introduce SketchPro's new companion mode, where you can connect your iPhone to your iPad for seamless control, making your creative process faster and more efficient. Syncing your devices. Start by opening the SketchPro app on both your iPad and iPhone. Tap Sync Up on both devices to initiate the connection. On your iPad, select Host and then enter the password shown on your iPhone. This will establish the link between the two devices. Let's dive into this. Connecting the devices. Now, open the canvas on your iPad and you'll see that the devices are connected and ready to go. Control layers from your iPhone. By tapping layers on your iPhone, you can instantly add or adjust layers on your iPad canvas. It's like controlling your iPad remotely. How awesome is that? Brush selection. You'll see a variety of brushes on your iPhone that you can select and use directly on your iPad. No more switching between devices to choose your tools. Instant color changes. If you pick a color on your iPhone, it will reflect immediately on your iPad. This makes coloring a lot faster and seamless. It's that quick. Layer settings and adjustments. Tapping the left side of the layer on your iPhone allows you to access and modify layer settings, like opacity and alpha lock. It's easy to make adjustments to your artwork without any hassle. Brush and layer customization. You can also adjust the brush size, layer opacity, and use various tools to refine your work. All of these adjustments happen in real time between your devices. Rotating the canvas. With 2 fingers, you can rotate the canvas on your iPad, allowing you to work in a comfortable position, whether you're drawing details or adding finishing touches. How's that for flexibility? This feature is designed to save you time and make your drawing process smoother by providing more control and flexibility with your devices. We believe that the new companion mode will be a game changer for artists who want to work more efficiently and enjoy their creative process even more. Try it out today and let us know how you like the new experience. We can't wait to see the amazing art you'll create using SketchPro and companion mode. Happy drawing!